there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about my iPhone 13 mini. I really love this phone. I mean, first of all, isn't it just beautiful? This dark green color is so cool. So I feel happy just carrying it around with me during the day. But more importantly, there are some great features. I actually upgraded to this phone for the camera, and I think it's awesome. My favorite is the portrait mode. I've gotten some really great vacation photography in portrait mode. There's also some other cool features. I like the Face ID for unlocking your phone, and because that's available, you can use it on some other apps as well. And the size. I am a fan of smaller phones. That's just me personally. I want to be able to use it with one hand, to throw it in my small purses, and it not be a big burden or weighing me down. And I think that this phone is perfect for that. So I hope you will like this as much as I do. And that's my point of view.